BrainBobble presents. Boost your financial knowledge with these 9 simple steps. If you want to get on the path to financial success and independence, it's important to increase your knowledge of finances. In this video, we'll share some tips on how you can do just that so you can make informed decisions with your money. With this new knowledge, you'll be able to make the best decisions for yourself and set yourself up for long-term success. 1. Educate yourself on personal finance, investing, budgeting, and more. Improving your financial knowledge is easy. You can start by reading industry publications and trade magazines, or listening to podcasts about personal finance. Learning something new every day is important for increasing your knowledge base. Even small chunks of information learned on a regular basis can be beneficial. One way to do this is by attending seminars, workshops, and webinars. These sessions provide you with an opportunity to broaden your horizons and learn more about the fundamentals of managing finances, as well as the implications of certain strategies. Taking advantage of these resources can really pay off in the long run when it comes to understanding how to manage your finances properly. 2. Set financial goals and develop a plan. Setting financial goals and developing a plan to reach them helps to boost your financial knowledge because it forces you to become aware of what you need, what you have, and what steps you can take to get closer to reaching those goals. When you set goals, it's important to break them down into smaller achievable steps so that they don't seem too daunting. This will help you stay motivated and engaged while learning more about personal finance, investments, budgeting, and planning. There are a lot of resources available, like reading industry publications, attending seminars or webinars, and utilizing technology like robo-advisors that can provide guidance on the journey. By tracking your progress over time and making adjustments when necessary, you'll be able to see how far you've come and where you want to go in terms of achieving your financial goals. 3. Understand your spending and review your credit report. Knowing how much you spend and reviewing your credit report are critical steps in developing your financial awareness and acumen. By tracking where you are spending your money each month, you will have a better understanding of how much you have available to invest or save for future goals. Additionally, by regularly requesting copies of your credit reports from the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, you can ensure that any mistakes on record that could affect your ability to get loans or other types of financial assistance in the future are avoided. This not only keeps you informed but also helps build good financial habits that make it easier to plan for the future. 4. Learn about investments and saving for retirement. Learning about investments and saving for retirement is important if you want to have a secure financial future. There are different types of investments and each one carries different risks. To make sure you're making the right decisions for your portfolio, it's important to research stocks, bonds, and mutual funds before investing. Understanding the level of risk you are willing to take, as well as your time, horizon, and other factors, can help inform your decision. If available through your employer, consider starting an IRA, individual retirement account, or 401k. These accounts offer tax advantages, which means more money in your pocket when it comes time to start withdrawing from them during retirement age. 5. Get advice from a financial professional or trusted advisor. A financial professional or trusted advisor can help you make informed decisions, offering more experience than what is available on the internet and providing tailored advice to fit your individual circumstances. Before deciding on who to work with, check that they are licensed so you have peace of mind knowing you are protected from any potential issues. Additionally, they can be useful in helping with taxes and estate planning as your needs evolve over time. It's important to research the firm and advisor thoroughly, as some may be solely interested in upselling products or services which may not be necessary for your situation. Also, ensure that you stay informed about any changes in regulations or industry practices that could affect your investment strategy moving forward. 6. Create an emergency fund. By having an emergency fund, you are taking a proactive step in preparing for the future. Knowing that you have money put away for unexpected costs or difficult times can give you more confidence in managing your finances and understanding how to make responsible financial decisions. Having an understanding of what steps to take and how to manage them can keep you from falling into debt, which can be a major source of financial insecurity. Additionally, building an emergency fund also gives you peace of mind knowing that if something were to happen, you could still handle it without going into debt. 7. Monitor taxes, fees and rates associated with investments. It's very important for you to keep an eye on the taxes, fees, and rates associated with your investments. This is because these costs can change over time due to things like market trends and inflation. Make sure that you double-check any additional charges associated with your investments, such as dividend payments that could be subject to higher rates depending on your investor status. Doing this will help you make sure the commitments you make into certain products or services are really worth it. 8. Utilize technology to help manage your finances in an automated fashion. Using technology such as robo-advisors to manage your finances in an automated fashion can be a great way to boost your financial knowledge. Robo-advisors are designed to help you make the best investment decisions by using algorithms and data to provide personalized advice and take into account your individual financial situation. This helps to simplify the process of managing finances so that you can focus on learning more about how investments work, understanding different strategies, and making smart money moves. Plus, many of these services offer tools and resources that can help you learn more about personal finance topics at no extra cost. Utilizing technology like robo-advisors is an effective way for you to take control of your finances while also gaining valuable insights into the world of investing. 9. Track your progress. Tracking your progress and making adjustments when necessary is an important step to building your financial knowledge. Knowing how much money you have, where it's going, and what you're spending on can be incredibly helpful in understanding your financial situation. You can use various tools such as budgeting apps or online calculators to help track your spending, income, and investments. Once you know where your money is going, you can make adjustments to become more efficient with how you manage it. This could include finding ways to save more money each month, reducing debt, tracking investments, or setting financial goals. Staying on top of your finances and being aware of changes that are made helps to build a strong financial foundation that will benefit you in the long run. Knowing the ins and outs of financial management is essential for anyone who wants to gain greater control over their finances. Taking ownership of your financial knowledge allows you to make more informed decisions about where and how to allocate money, as well as understand different products, features, and risks associated with them. It can help you avoid costly mistakes that could have long-term effects on your financial health. Understanding personal finance also enables you to set achievable financial goals, such as reducing debt or increasing savings, so that you can build a strong financial foundation for yourself. Taking ownership of your financial knowledge gives you the power to make better decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and build a strong foundation for your finances. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.